Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, and so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line annotations are coming into play here. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I have to kind of anyways just to set up some context here. But a crazy day and a very wild final 30 minutes of the day. Huge volume spike, price was all over the place, surged upwards, and then got drilled back to the downside, which creates the biggest dynamic here that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. So I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. Quite the opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of the same thing and are going to be watching the same level. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce quite a bit of dynamic price movements. And that's what we have right here at this green line, which I talked about in past videos at 15 cents, because the price is essentially sitting right at that level. So the big question going into next week is the price going to be able to hold above this level of support? So far, so good. I mean, the things got nasty, but it didn't get nasty enough to the price closing down below that level. But the reason why that area is so important is if the price were to break down through there, well, then at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would literally have the price right back to where it was back inside of this channel before the nice movement to the upside occurred. And price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to make some sort of form of progress forward. And as of right now, 15 cents still represents a nice sign of progress, because if the price were to stop there and start to work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a situation where you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have lows down there. If you picture those as stair steps, well, there you go. You got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So all eyes going to be on 15 cents going into next week, and we'll see if the price can stay above it. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on that trend line right there. But overall, like I said, 15 cents, definitely going to be a very, very watched level next week. So let's see if the price can stay above it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.